Today I am going to talk about what is opportunity cost. We know the resources are limited. Then when we are using the resources, there are various options we have to use that. With the same resource, we have to use for the various purposes. Then what happen if we are selecting one purpose or options, then what happen another two or three we have to give up. Then there is a value for that given up opportunity. So that is called opportunity cost. Now, if you take example, now we can say there is a plot of land. Then we can build a house, or we can cultivate the paddy, or we can put up the boutique. Then we have to think about for a 1 year period. So, what is the value of that house and the paddy cultivations and the boutique? If we think about from the boutique, we can get 200,000 rupees and the paddy cultivation 100,000 rupees. Or for a house, we can say 300,000 rupees. Then actually, our requirement is the house. Then what happen? We are building a house. Then what happen? We have to give up paddy cultivations and the boutique. Then how much money we have to give up, including the boutique actually 200,000 plus paddy cultivation 100,000. Then 300,000 rupee we have to give up. So that is the opportunity cost because we have selected to build a house, but other two options we give up. So then we can say the giving up, the value of the given up opportunity, we can say the opportunity cost.